everybody, and happy Saturday. We're just in Matty's work car. We are going to check out a new car. He's just popped into Tesco's to get some drink, and then we are off. I'm wearing my new dress that I got from H&M. It arrived yesterday, and it's like a t-shirt dress, but it's cinched. She's been in the waist here. It's like tight there. It's got a zip here. You don't even need to use it, you just stick it over your head and just stretch it. So, but yeah, it's so comfy. I've got my cycling shorts underneath, tan my legs. I've literally done nothing with my hair, just stuck it on top of my head because it is so warm today. I've just turned the aircon off because it's blasting, and you wouldn't have heard me, but I'm going to put it back on in a minute. So yeah, I'll have to see if I can show you the car when we go and see it. We'll try and record it, and you can see the sort of cars Matthew's looking at. We're looking at a Range Rover. He was looking at some Jags again last night. Or was it this morning? I think it was last night. But yeah, he's wanted a Range Rover for ages, so I think he is actually going to get a Range Rover. So yeah, we're just going to go and look at some. Going over to Leicester, so come and join us for our day. Here he is. Good morning. Is it still morning? Yeah, it's still morning. It's 11:10. 9 minutes past 11. Oh, got some fizzy water. Right, let's go. Yeah, that grey one's nice. It's very big though.
This one is really high spec.
What do you mean?
So like it's going to have all the added extras. You can tell, look at the dash, got a head display. You know where the speed comes up on your glass.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Flashes up in front of you.
Yeah.
That is nice actually with the got this badge on the side. Rover.
What colours on the home? Name's on the back.
Then what about the badge?
Oh, the badge, yeah.
So I'm just outside the dealers. I was just about to show you a car actually, but I just thought I'd come on here, and as you can see, I'm crying. So yeah, as we were leaving, the guy started telling us about he's going on holiday, and he's got an 11-year-old and a 12-year-old. Jesus Christ. So Matty obviously wanted to tell him that we had as well, because part of the questions for the bloody finance for the car is they ask you if you've got any children under the age of 18. We have to say no for that finance part. But then he wanted to tell him. Let me just show you this car first, and then I'll come back on and speak. Just showed you the car. Didn't press record, so yeah, this is the back of the car. So it's a Range Rover Sport. The autobiography. So it's got all the fancy bits inside and stuff. So just show you the boot. So you're gonna get like a little seat casing for Rocky in the back. We'll lift up that thing there. This is the back seats. Beautiful cream leather, absolutely stunning. And then, sorry about sniffing guys, and then that's inside there. Armrests, absolutely beautiful. Show you the front without getting the reg in. So this is the front. Don't want to put the registration number in there. Just zoomed right into it, but there we go. I'll show you from this side as well. There's the wheels. Beautiful. So anyway, yeah, thought I'd just show you the car. So I want to go to our car now. Well, Matthew's work car. So yeah, so Matthew wanted to tell him about Isabel, because it's bloody hard saying that we haven't got any children under 18, because we have. You know, she's our daughter, and even if she was still here today, she's only 13. Let me just sit in the car. It's gonna be hot, I know it. But yeah, she's only 13. She passed away when she was 11. So, what's going on? Oh yeah. Matty, it's getting the words out. So yeah, the guy was, Matty set the guy off basically, because yeah, he's got an 11-year-old and he's got a 12-year-old, so, and Izzy was obviously nearly 12, so yeah, hard, very hard. You know, in those situations, I tried to stay strong, but it's just too much. It is too much. We've got some stuff going on at the moment that I don't really want to talk about on camera. It's to do with Isabel, but yeah, I just got really upset last night. I don't know what I'm talking about now, because I can't tell you much stuff on here, you know, because a lot of it's private, and I don't tell you everything on my vlogs, because everyone's got, you know, private life as well. I'll try and tell you as much as I can. Yeah, I just got a bit upset. I just had to go. I just had to. I'm just gonna, just give me a minute, hold on. So I just had to put you on the tripod, because my hands are in holding this. It's too shaky when I'm just holding the phone on its own. So yeah, we test drive, well, Matthew, I can't get my words out. Matthew test drove 2 cars. So first of all, he came here to buy a Range Rover SVR, which we were prepared to spend quite a bit of money on. I wasn't keen about how much money we were spending on it, because there's work that we need doing on the house as well, and it's getting very expensive. So basically, we got here and we decided to have a look around at other cars. And anyway, we were sat down talking about it, and then one of the guys said a BMW M5 is for sale, and I'd seen it when we went in there. It's absolutely beautiful car. I don't normally like BMWs, but this was beautiful, really nice blue colour as well. It had like white, like a white off grey leather interior, which was nice. But when we test drove that, because we test drove that one as well, absolutely beautiful inside, but the leather interior, just, it was a bit clinical. like the colour of it and just how bright it was. So so yeah, that was a lot cheaper. Now if you think of normally a BMW M5, it's like sport as well, it's like one of the top of the range ones, but it was 10 years old. It was 2012. Even the guy said when we sat in it, it still had that new smell. There wasn't a mark on it inside and out. If you'd told me that it was, if I had different registration plate on it and you'd said to me it's only 6 months old, then I would have believed you. But it was 10 years old. It was 2012. Can you hear that clapping? It's Matthew. So twitchy. So yeah, we drove that one first. Well, Matthew drove that one first. I was in the back, and the other guy was sat in the passenger seat, the salesman. And then Matthew drove the Range Rover that I've just showed you that we bought. I think it's just called Marcus or something. But yeah, so we have bought a car. We just put the deposit down on it and it's ready. I mean, if they weren't closed tomorrow, then we'd be able to pick it up tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday and they are closed on Sunday, so we're picking it up on Monday. It's Matthew's birthday tomorrow, so it's a shame he couldn't get it on his birthday, but he's getting it the day after, and he's off on Monday anyway because he gets his birthday off, and if it's the weekend then he could have it on the Friday or the Monday. So yes. Oh, I've seen a white butterfly. Always see these white butterflies and I just feel like it's Izzy sending me a sign again. It's so beautiful. It's actually gone right over to the car that we're getting. Matthew's recording me in the car. Let me just turn you around. There he is. He's on the phone to Marcus. So yeah, that was just me needing to come on camera and chat to you guys because I was getting upset. And I did say I was going to show you the car, so that is the car. I need something to eat now. I haven't had any lunch and I think it's gone 3 o'clock, so probably grab something to eat on the way back, sandwich or something, or a wrap. I love those wraps from McDonald's. I know they're so bad, but they're not that bad though. Wrap, chicken, salad. I suppose they are bad. You hear him shouting. He's always shouting down the phone. All his family do that, shouting.
Monday. It's all paid for. It's all ready to go. I just got to. They ain't got no one in to get it
anyway,
ready for me for the admin side until Monday morning. So
because you can't hear me.
Come over Monday afternoon. I need to be here at 3 o'clock. So you bring me over.
Anyway, I'm gonna go now.
Oh, I've got to go now because your mum's moaning. Right, see you in a bit.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. We're going Specsavers. Wait for me. You know I walk slower than you.
Too slow.
I can't help it, bad. My knee's really bad.
It's expensive.
The designer. Yeah, those are Converse. Those are Tommy Hilfiger, Timberland, Hackett. Really cute kids ones.